Welcome to another Excel demo with Rich Kerr. In this scenario, we're going to take a look at how we can use emojis to enhance the graphical representation of our data. As you can see in this small data set that I have here, I've got a green thumbs up when the Q2 balance is equal to or greater than the Q1 balance, and a red thumbs down when the Q2 balance is less than the previous quarter. So let's look at how we can use a basic if formula with some emojis and then some conditional formatting to set this up. I'll delete column D and then we'll reconstruct it together. So we'll have a column that we call status, and then we'll start with a basic if formula. We want to test to see if C2 is greater than or equal to B2. Now if that's true, I want to have the thumbs up emoji. So that's a text character, so I'm going to start with open quotes like I would if I were just entering text from my keyboard. But then I'll use the shortcut, which is the Windows key and the period, to launch the emoji selection window. Now, when you launch that, you'll see recently used emojis and also other selections for different libraries or categories of emojis. So you can really select anything in here that you want. But for this example, I'm going to go to my recent category and I'm going to select the thumbs up, right? So you can see it inserted it, and then we'll do a close quotes. So we want a thumbs up when it's greater than or equal to the previous quarter, comma, so value if false, we would want a thumbs down. So open quotes, Windows key, period, and we'll use the down, thumbs down, close quote, close paren. So now in the font that's used in the formula creation, you just see sort of a very plain thumbs up, thumbs down. But once it's inside the cell, you see how that's represented in your current font. And we'll fill that down. And so we can see the thumbs up and thumbs down. And without the color, it's very easy to kind of miss them because they look very similar even though they're pointing in opposite directions. So first I'm going to center the icons. I'll then go to conditional formatting and I'll choose highlight cells rules. I'll choose equal to, and I'm going to go into the box where you enter the criteria value. So I'll do Windows key, period, and select my thumbs up. So if it's a thumbs up, I don't want light red fill with dark red text. I actually just want green text. And then you can see that that's actually not one of the choices. There is green fill with dark green text, but I just want green text. So custom format, maybe let's go bold, and color is going to be green for the font. So there we go. We see the green bold font for the thumbs up. So now let's add a second conditional formatting rule. Conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, equal to, and then we'll insert the value for thumbs down. So Windows key, period, select the thumbs down icon, and the default choice for formatting is the light red fill with dark red text. Again, I just want the text, so we'll hit the drop down, and that is one of the predetermined choices, so red text, and I'll click OK. That's it. So now you have a green thumbs up if the balance has increased or stayed the same, and a red thumbs down, right? So if we change one of these, we'll see it change, right? This one actually went down. We see the down arrow. Let's say this one, which is currently showing down, let's say it goes up. It becomes an up green arrow. So that's an example of how you can use emojis in combination with your conditional formatting to create a custom visual representation of your data. I hope you enjoy it and find use for it in your work. Please tune in again soon for more Excel demos with Rich Kerr. Have a productive day.